Hey everybody, so today is Friday. I'm Katniss1919. Okay, so, like I said before, didn't your phone? So yesterday I said, oh, I'm gonna make videos every Thursday. Well, I said I'm gonna try to. Well, I think on Fridays, I'm gonna do like a special episode that's like, not longer, because I can only record for 15 minutes, which is a bummer. Um, but yeah. So I was thinking of making today like a day like Fun Friday or Sky Island Friday, something like that. You comment below what it should be, okay? So I got rid of the obsidian block. My friend gave me a diamond pickaxe. I ran out of water sources, so I asked someone to get me the water buckets. But of course, let me come back. Let me go say hi, a little hi to him. My what? You got the water for me? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Sorry, what? Sorry, what? What? Give me my buckets back, please. I need them. What? Oh, I'm trapped down here. Help. What? I am sorry. I need the money. You have like friggin' huge place. So, what? Why did I put wool? Well, can't give you. You have this. What's this? Water. Let's see. Let's see what else. Oh, poop. Ah! No! Help. What is this? No. Help me. Help. Help. Ow. It bit my butt. Ow. It's eating me alive. Ah. Ah. It scared the poop out of me. One log for $5. Wait, how? Ow. Ow. I'm gonna die because of you. You have infinite water pool. Could have sworn I just had him. You just... Thanks. Okay, now I'm back to my island. That was like... Sorry, people. What? I can't get up. I've fallen, I can't get up. Okay. Not again. Aw, dang it. I'm such a horrible person. Well, I'm just gonna place this here. Why, there's another YouTuber, yay. Ow. My hand just cracked. One more. Water, please. Oh, I thought I was gonna fall and die. Spam, people, spam. Spam. Wait, what? Yay! Infinite water pool. I'm not a noob anymore. I still count as one. Ha ha ha. I am a noob. I'm a noob now. Yeah, I can. Oh, Kenichi. Kenichi? I don't know. That's what I always say. I'm so confused. Okay. Let's go over here. Two more. I can do it. I can do it. Okay. So this right here is perfect. Oh my god, I forgot I have to grow tree. I really need to expand on my island. Expand. Woo! Okay. Wow. What are they talking about? England Patriots? What the heck? Donor too? I'm like, I'm a member, that's how I am. I'm just a hopeless member. Okay. Oh. Burn, baby, burn. It's going burn, 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 burn everything down. Burn That just popped up into somewhere. I think I'm gonna vote right after this video, because I really need dirt. Because I wanna just do a farm. God. So I'm outlining this with cobblestone, so it won't look weird. Oh my God. Oh my God, thank you so much. I'm glad people are getting to know me. Because, oh my God, because I'm the girl on fire. That's what everybody says in this game. Oh, it is the girl on fire. Me too. Oh. Thanks. Oh. This one knows. What? They're just talking about the Heat, and my father just. Wow. Okay, I don't want to see that contract thing. No. Oh my God. I'm gonna look at that video right after I'm done with this, because I don't want LeBron James to leave our team. He's like the best. He's like the best of both worlds. Yeah. If LeBron James leaves, there's gonna be like so many riots and stuff. He's like the best player on our team. God. And then LeBron James chose a new kid. He looks like a really good player. I'm happy that he chose him. But I don't want LeBron James to leave at all. He's like, everyone believes in LeBron James, and he was the one that did the best this year. Bosch did even better than last year. I'm proud of him. No. Someone just said Stumpy. I love Stumpy Cat. Okay. So, school and Zach. I don't know. Okay. So, that's the end of this video. I hope you like it. Because, I don't know. I feel like a retard, and I lost my pants before, and my helmet. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day. Bye!